Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Pixio PXC278 Wave White, a 27-inch curved QHD gaming monitor that instantly refreshes your setup with its clean, modern design. With a 2560 x 1440 resolution, this display delivers sharp detail and excellent clarity, making games, videos, and even everyday tasks look noticeably better than standard 1080p screens. The 1650R curve gently wraps around your field of view, creating a more immersive experience, whether you're exploring open-world titles or grinding through competitive matches. One of the biggest highlights here is the 180 Hz refresh rate paired with a fast 1 millisecond response time. Gameplay feels incredibly smooth and responsive, with minimal motion blur during fast-paced action. The VA panel also provides a strong 5000:1 contrast ratio, producing deeper blacks and more vibrant colors, and HDR support adds extra punch to highlights and overall depth. The wave white finish gives it a unique aesthetic that stands out from typical black gaming monitors, and it supports VESA mounting along with tilt adjustment for flexible setup options. It also includes flicker-free technology and a blue light filter to help reduce eye strain during long sessions. The built-in speakers are usable for basic audio, but a headset or external speakers will give you a better experience. Overall, the Pixio PXC278 Wave White combines smooth performance, solid contrast, and standout style at a competitive price point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.